In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default labels in Monday.com. This quick tutorial should take about 5 minutes and it will help you customize your boards to better suit your team's workflow and preferences. Let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once you're there, you'll notice the option to log in, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Here, you'll be presented with various login options. For ease and seamless integration, select Google from the options available. You'll need to choose your Google account linked to your Monday.com account to continue. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see your profile icon. Give it a click and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Administration. This is your door to customizing the general settings of your Monday.com workspace. Inside the administration section, look for the Customization tab and click on it. This is where the real magic happens, as it allows you to fine-tune various aspects of Monday.com to fit how your team works. Now navigate to the Boards option under Customization. Clicking on this will take you into the heart of board settings. This section is crucial for managing how information is displayed across your boards. Here, you will find the option where you can set your default labels. The default labels are used for automating and categorizing different tasks and items on your boards. This feature is especially handy if you have specific status labels that your team uses frequently, whether it's statuses like in progress, completed, or customized ones that fit your projects. Setting these defaults helps maintain consistency and saves you time in the long run. After you've made the necessary changes to the default labels, don't forget to scroll to the bottom of the page and hit Save Changes. This will ensure that all your preferences are updated and ready for use across your boards. So there you have it, a simple and efficient way to customize the default labels on Monday.com, which plays a critical role in streamlining your project management tasks. By following these steps, you can ensure your team is aligned and operates more effectively. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it will make your Monday.com experience smoother and more tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.